We're going to go through a quick EMA strategy that I've been using for years. I've been using it to get funded. I've been using it in crypto, mostly on Forex intraday. If you get it right, you can get some nice swings. So nothing over a week. I wouldn't recommend this for anything over a week. So any type of swing for 1-2 weeks, any kind of position trade, I wouldn't recommend. But intraday, definitely one of my favorite strategies. Pulling this chart on, first you need 3 EMAs. So you need the 50, the 21 and the 200. What we're looking for is just a reversion, a mean reversion trade. So price that has been in an extended area or level. We're waiting for it just to come back to the 200 EMA. Yeah, that's basically it. So as you can see here, we've had an extended level. This was a massive gap over the weekend when Trump mentioned some things about the tariffs. So when I came into the office, I saw this price action. So when there's a lot of volatility, it's the best time to use it. And all we're looking for is price to start making a little bit of consolidation. So something like that. A break of the consolidation, retest on the EMAs, and then a continuation to the 200 EMA. You've got to look at the 200 EMA as being your base level, your base area where price is it's like a magnet, you know, it's always trying to bring price towards it. So here's what the chart looked like. You saw this area where you had a lot of gap in the price action. So that's where I was targeting. So came into the office, saw this. Now, once I actually see that the EMAs are starting to base out, so you've got the 50 starting to base and you've got the 21 starting to point upwards, that's an indication to you that short-term time frame, the price is starting to get more volatile and price is starting to move up on the short time frame. So once they're moving up, all I'm looking for is a break, a retest, and a continuation. And that's going to be the trade on that area right there. So let me get rid of all of that. So all we're waiting for is a break and a retest. I would put my fib on here, which I did. So something like that. Waiting for anything around here to find support. There you go. And I got into the position right here. I didn't get in right at the 50. I actually got in a little bit earlier, but the target was that 200 EMA on the 5 minute. So that area there. Now afterwards, straight away, it was the first trade of the week. It was just super easy. So that's one example of it. Then you've got the same on the 15 minute. So you can have a look. The EMAs are just loading. So you have the same thing. The EMA, the 21 is starting to point upwards. It's found support. 200's up there. All we're waiting for is that EMA to come around a little bit more, a break, a retest, and a continuation to that 200. So there you'd have had your entry, and there's your continuation to the 200. I didn't catch that move because I only got out on the 5 minute. I left a lot of money on the table by doing that. But there you can see that is the basics of the technique. Now let's see if we can find another example here. Now if it's the other way around, you can look for something like that again. So you'd have price that is trying to break out of this level here. It's like rounded price action, just shows that it's starting to get really tired. Then you have a break in market structure, a retest. You have all of the EMAs starting to point down. You have a retest on a 50 and then continuation to the 200. So there you go. Really perfect idea. Test this out and let me know how you get on.